Yo, what's up? This is Jeremy, Monster Energy, Have a Choral Crew, coming to you from Break Free Worldwide headquarters and Break Free Hip Hop School. The class is in session. Check it out. Today the topic is flipping or enhancing your moves. So we're going to use a particular go down that I like to teach, and we're going to show how it is taught in its basic form, but how we can take a little detail to make it different, and even after that how we can dissect the move, and at every single point we can add something to make it new and to make it fresher. Okay, so for this particular go down, the first thing we're going to do, pivot to the right, place our left knee on the ground, and our right leg is going to swing while our left arm is placed on the ground, straight around, and then place your knee behind that foot right there on the ground. So pivot, knee on the ground, hand on the ground, swing your right leg, make contact with your knee to the ground, and then the last half of the move, you want to make sure with your knee on the ground that you can kind of pivot your leg like this, sweeping it on the ground. You bring your whole body with you. Your knee is underneath you like you're about to sit on your foot, but you continue all the way around into a jazz split, presenting your freeze to the front. So the full motion of this move, pivot, knee on the ground, hand on the ground, swing your right leg, knee makes contact with the ground, sweeping it on the ground like you're about to sit on your foot, spinning all the way around, and presenting that jazz split to the front. So the topic today is how to add, flip, or enhance your moves. So pretty much at any step, at any point of any move, you can take a look at your position, take a look at all your angles, and figure out what you can grab, what you can spin into, if you can jump, if you can turn around, if you can reverse it. Pretty much at every single step and point of the move, you can add something different to it to make it better or to make it different. So at pretty much the halfway point of this move, after my knee is on the ground, my hand is on the ground, and I swing my leg around, and of course knee make contact with the ground. When I'm swinging it around, if you notice, my foot travels right next to my hand. So if I break it down and if I wanted to flip this move, add something to make it different, it's really easy for me to just grab my foot as I turn, thread it around, and complete into that jazz split. So when you hear teachers, instructors talk about flipping moves, adding things to it, to make it different, to make it doper, I want you to take every single move that you know, every foundational move, and pretty much dissect it. At every point and every part of the move, there's a different avenue, a different angle, a different body part that you can grab, different paths that you can take to make this move better. So with this particular go down, we added this thread, right? But you can take the original just with your knee down, and if I, instead of putting my hand down here, what if I reach here? And then I grab my knee, and then I grab this knee, and then I add this thread right here. This is just me freestyling right there. I obviously can take my time to enhance that move and make it better, but the point is, you can take any point of this move, of any foundational step, and take the time to figure out the different paths and angles so you can flip and make one move turn into 1,000 moves. Every single foundational step gives you the ability to do this. So it's very important for you to take all of your foundational moves and even moves that you came up with, dissect them, go to every single point of the move and see if there's different paths, different avenues you can take, different hand placements, and all these things add up to you being able to turn one move into 1,000 moves. The possibilities are limitless, and it just depends on the time you spend in each part of this move. It's very important for a b-boy or b-girl to add this aspect to their arsenal and be able to turn any move into multiple moves. So please take the time to do this, and this is the fun part of breaking, and hopefully this helps you flip your moves and make them different. This is Jeremy signing off from Break Free Worldwide headquarters. See you next time. Peace.